Let's solve this step by step. What is 3/4 raised to the fourth power? In other words, we need to calculate 3/4 multiplied by itself 4 times. Let's first write this out as repeated multiplication. 3/4 times 3/4 times 3/4 times 3/4. To solve this, let's break it down into two parts. First, we'll multiply all the numerators together, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then we'll multiply all the denominators together, which is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Let's solve each part. In the numerator, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. In the denominator, 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64, times 4 is 256. Now we can write our final answer. 3/4 to the fourth power equals 81 over 256. Let's visualize what this fraction means. As a decimal, 81 divided by 256 is approximately 0.316, which makes sense because when we raise a fraction less than 1 to a power, the result gets smaller and smaller. To summarize, when raising a fraction to a power, we raise both the numerator and denominator to that power separately, and then combine them into our final fraction,